When taking Ocean Blue Omega-3, it is important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions about how to take this product, consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you are using the enteric-coated capsules, be sure to swallow them whole. For the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. If you are taking the liquid form, use a special measuring device to carefully measure the dose. Do not use a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands of this medication should be shaken well before each use. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance immediately. It is recommended to take Ocean Blue Omega-3 at the same time every day for the best results. The typical daily dosage is outlined on the package label, but it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Some potential side effects of Ocean Blue Omega-3 may include a fishy aftertaste, nausea, bloating, or burping. If you experience any of these effects, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. It's important to notify your doctor if you experience easy bleeding or bruising. Additionally, seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. The recommended dosage of Ocean Blue Omega-3 is, insert recommended daily dosage, and it is best to take it with a meal to help minimize any potential side effects. Before taking Ocean Blue Omega-3, be sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies, especially to fish or peanuts/soy. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues. It is also important to discuss the use of this medication during pregnancy and while breastfeeding with your doctor to ensure the safety and benefits for both you and your baby. When taking Ocean Blue Omega-3, it's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. It's always best to inform your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products. This will help ensure that there are no negative interactions that could affect the effectiveness of your medications or increase the risk of serious side effects. Remember, never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's important to prioritize your health and safety when it comes to managing your medications. If you or someone else has taken too much Ocean Blue Omega-3 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's always better to be safe and seek medical assistance if you're concerned about an overdose. When taking Ocean Blue Omega-3, your doctor may conduct lab tests to monitor your cholesterol levels and liver function. It is important to attend all medical appointments and follow your doctor's recommendations for testing. If you have any questions about the tests or your results, be sure to discuss them with your doctor for more information. If you forget to take Ocean Blue Omega-3 on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed one. Don't take double the dose to make up for it. Remember to take your next dose at the regular time. When it comes to storing Ocean Blue Omega-3, it's important to follow the instructions on the package. Make sure to keep it away from light and moisture, and avoid storing it in the bathroom or freezing it. And as with any medication, always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Ocean Blue Omega-3, it's important to do so properly. Never flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. Instead, discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure of how to dispose of it, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.